What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some dry rub fried chicken. You're saying to yourself, Black Owl, is it dry rubbed or is it fried? Well, buddy, it's both. Because that's the thing. I've been experimenting with my chicken. Me, myself, I love to fry some chicken, boy, and if I say so myself, I'm better than the damn Colonel. Now, I'm getting better each day because like I said, I'm experimenting. I'm using this Famous Dave's rib rub seasoning. I use it on everything. You say, like, I would use it on everything. I know that I do. So, we're going to use it today. I'm going to show you how to do it a new way, my way. Good stuff, too. So, let's get into it. Now, first thing you got to do, you want some fried chicken. You got to get some Birds at Yard Pimp. And today, just got some chicken legs. And man, they were cheap. I got a deal. I actually got these for less than $4. Can you believe it? I'm a bargain hunter, man. I'm out there like Dog the Bounty Hunter looking for the cheapest stuff. So, I'm going to go ahead and take this chicken, lay it down, and put a healthy dose of the Famous Dave's right on top of that thing, baby. Now, I'm going to rub it down. I'm going to sing to it sweet meat, and flip it over. Do the same thing on the other side. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, what about marinating it or something like that? You know me, buddy. Take your time for that shit. This is going to do us fine, and you'll see why. Now, we've got it rubbed. We've been rubbing that chicken. Rubbing your chicken. So, let's go ahead and take it and put it in that flour, baby. That's the thing. I don't need no egg washing on that shit. I ain't got time for that shit. So, I'm going to go ahead and just use the straight flour today. That'll give us a thin crisp on our chicken buddies. Now, we got the flour on there. Let's get some oil and let's get it hot to trot, buddy. We're going to drop that chicken down in there. It's gonna dive right in. So, and we'll let it swim just a little while. Give it just a little more flour because when you put it in there, that oil will pop up and steal some of that flour. So I like to put a light coating on and flip it again. You're saying, like, oh, I don't see you seasoning it anymore. So all he was going to do is just rub that thing on there. It's not quite a recipe. Just shut up and listen and watch what I do. Now, we're going to get our chicken out when it looks good and golden brown. And you're saying, like, oh, it looks a little dark. That's this rub caramelizing in there. Don't worry about it, sir. It ain't burning on the bottom and none of that shit. So, we're going to go ahead and take it out. Let it cool, man. Let it get cool like you. So, then we're going to take some Famous Dave's and sprinkle it right on top to give it just a little extra flavor. Now, we've got our extra flavor. We got our chicken fried, laid to the side, and I think it's time for a sight and a big bite of this beautiful chicken tonight, buddy, don't you? Yeah, I think so. Alright, buddy, the time has come. The dry rub fried chicken is done. And I'm having that first big bite for myself. And I got to say, I'm damn excited because I'm starved to death. Hungry as can be, man. Been working all day. Worked up a appetite. Don't mind if I do. Oh my goodness. That's the perfect fried chicken. Not too much crisp, just the right amount of crisp. Good seasoning flavor. Juicy, moist, delicious, nutritious, and good. So, I want to thank all you good people for joining me on another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'd like to have another leg or two. Don't mind if I do. So, shoot! Hell yeah.